So my name is Vinny Bonazzoli, and we have the Client Care Academy, and we're going to be partnering with WealthCounsel and WealthCounsel, and we're very excited about it, training lawyers and their firms and their teams on how to create their own customized client care program. We found that most attorneys have been doing a very, very good job up front with clients and helping them create documents, maybe even fund their assets initially. What we've done is from that point forward to have ongoing representation with the clients so that we are able to adjust the plan, align, verify, and track assets, and make sure that the family's taken care of at the time that they die. What we found in the academy is that most of our attorneys that we've trained are already giving away a lot of value for free. So our program is there to unlock that, to have the attorney, through the eyes of their team most of the time, see the value they're providing, and also make sure that they have a very clear client care program that's customized for their firm. The program begins at 1:30 on Thursday and goes to 4 or 5 o'clock on Friday. We want the firm to bring their team. The non-lawyers are going to be doing a lot of the work, and during that day and a half program, we will train the firm where they will come up with their own customized client care program. We've now been doing this for 10 years. There's a money-back guarantee. That's how confident we are. We've had numerous attorneys come in within the first year or two, have 100, maybe more people on their client care program. So we're very excited about this opportunity to partner with WealthCounsel and WealthCounsel. We think that estate planning attorneys have their hearts in the right place, and they really want to help people, but the systems that we're using are based on a transactional system based. And now what we're trying to do is provide them with a relationship based system and a communication to actually communicate the value to them. So we're very excited about this opportunity.